Hello, I'm Professor Nowithaul, and this is Toolbarn University, an educational segment designed to leave you better informed about the science behind tools. Today we'll be discussing Ohm's Law. What is Ohm's Law? Well, Ohm's Law is a way that we can measure the amount of electricity. Notice in this diagram here we have the source of electricity, or in this case a battery source, full of these negatively charged electrons. Now as we hook them up to something, only so many can come out of that battery or that power source at a time. That's known as the pressure or the voltage. The current that those electrons travel through as they're now flowing through that circuit is what's known as the amps. Now as they come in contact with something that they're going to power, such as a motor on a power tool, that's what's measured in ohms, or the resistance as those electrons now power that motor. So another way is to look at it is if we increase the amount of voltage, we can also increase the amount of amps or current that is also passing through. Likewise, if we decrease the resistance, we also increase the amps that are traveling. Now, how does this apply to power tools? Well, as you see here, I have two seemingly identical grinders. They're both corded, which means the voltage is going to be the same, or the amount of pressure the electrons have to go through to power the tool. Also, the resistance that they meet, if they're both being grinding the same object, is going to be the same as well. So the only thing that we can change this equation to make them more powerful, one than the other, is the amount of amps. This one being a 7.5 amp and this one being a 12 amp. That means that the one with the 12 amp, although having the same amount of voltage, is actually going to have more current, then it'll lower the resistance and give your motor more power. I hope this helps you understand better an application of power tools and Ohm's Law. Once again, this is Professor Nowithaul with Toolbarn University.